What is the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 2, -3 and 5, 6? Let us begin. So let's say we have 2 points. Point A has the coordinates 2, -3. Then we have another point B. So B has the coordinates, let's say 5, 6. We're going to join the 2 points A and B with the help of a straight line. Now, let's say we have the y-axis. So the y-axis intersects the line AB at the point C, and it's also dividing AB into 2 segments in the ratio k:1. Now, for the time being, we'll assume that the y-axis, so this is our y-axis. So this is dividing the line segment AB internally. So we can use the internal section formula to obtain the coordinates of point C. So the coordinates of point C, that's going to be, all we have to do is take K and multiply it with B. Then we'll take 1 and multiply it with A. So this is going to give us what we have, K times the X coordinate of B, so that's 5K, added to 1 times the X coordinate of A, so that's simply 2. So we have 5K plus 2 in the numerator, and the denominator we have the sum of the ratios, so that's going to be K plus 1. Then for the Y coordinate, we take K and multiply with the Y coordinate of B, so that's 6. We have 6K. Then we have 1 multiplied to the Y coordinate of A, so that's -3. So we have 6K minus 3 divided by K plus 1. Now, here, since it is the y-axis, so here, this particular point, we can actually assume that its coordinates are going to be 0, y. 0 because since it's the y-axis, its x coordinate is going to be 0. So here we can suppose that this corresponds to 0, y. Now if we equate it, the x coordinate 5k plus 2 over k plus 1, this will be equals to 0. And then the y coordinate 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1, so that's going to be equals to y. Now, since we need to find out the value of k, so we don't need this equation, we only need the first equation. So we have 5k plus 2, so that will be equals to 0. Solving for k, we get -2 over 5. So here, the negative sign tells us that actually it's an external division. It's not an internal division. So that means the line segment is dividing AB. The y-axis is dividing the line segment AB, not internally, but externally in the ratio 2:5. So that means we have the we have option number D, 2:5 externally.